Apart from PortraitStudio being a portrait-focused software, it also offers tons and tons of other uses. And a lot of you, apart from using it for portraits, have not used it and have not experimented much with your portrait studios. And I'm here to show you guys how much power it has by how I use it. Remember, I did a lot of these scenes without enhanced lighting enabled. So for you Mac users who don't have access to enhanced lighting at the moment, you can also create everything I've done here. You can follow along and recreate it exactly. So yes, PortraitStudio is available for Mac now, and if you don't have it and you own a Mac, go over to the istebrak.com/store to grab your copy. For this video, I've set up a 15% promotional code for 1 week, starting today, for anyone interested in purchasing it now, instead of waiting for May for the massive 50% off sale coming up. So if you guys want to wait for that, that's okay. But for those who want to have it now, 15% off is currently up with the promotional code in the description box. Apart from a fully customizable male and female portrait like a head, PortraitStudio offers a lot. A fully posable male and female mannequin, numerous static human figures, some select animal and statue figures, as well as a full range of basic form study cubes for anyone who needs a reference from their form studies, as well as complex form studies for anyone who wants to reference that, for architectural buildings and scenes, and high detail, maximum realism foliage and texture models. So real life photos built in together to create a 3D model of bark, of trees, of rocks. Really, really amazing stuff. Right now you can use different lighting controls to create a scene, just like you see me do here. I use a variety of lights, from point light to spotlight to the universal light with and without ambience. Each light comes equipped with its own volumetric fog that helps fill the scene with atmospheric perspective when needed. Each object can be adjusted in reflectiveness, shade, color. You also have the option to grayscale the scene for studying. Everything moves. From light to objects, you can move everything, and you can position it exactly how you want it for your scene, exactly as you imagine it. And the beauty about PortraitStudio is, even though you imagine something to be amazing and it can create it for you, being able to have those models adds to your imagination, and it kind of fixes and supplements what you couldn't have imagined for yourself. Camera controls are accessible through mouse and on screen, so no more getting lost on the screen. And you can save and load different scenes, so you can save everything, you won't lose it. It'll save exactly in the camera angle you saved it in. I never work without PortraitStudio now. I pose everything with PortraitStudio, from figures to landscapes. Everything is run through PortraitStudio's lighting engine in order for me to ensure that all shadows are perfect and all rotation makes sense. Upcoming for PortraitStudio for the summer overhaul update, PortraitStudio will feature fabric studies, really, really sought after, more cameras and camera control, more menu organization options, new male and female busts, as well as more low and high poly busts for studying portraits, more body types, including cartoony and anime body types, complete texture spectrum, all 3D, all easy to work with the light, from bricks to bark to silk, for dressing all the basic forms. So you can take a basic form, grab the texture you want, and lay it on the side of the basic form, and you have a brick wall, all detailed. Every little brick casts a shadow, and so much more. There's so much more coming up. I don't want to give out everything because it'll be a little bit of a spoiler, and there's going to be a trailer coming up introducing everything that's going to be covered in the overhaul update, and it'll be done by main PortraitStudio developer Abu. And he'll be the one who talks you guys through everything that's been changed. Hopefully you guys have not found a lot of bugs, but if you do, please make sure to report them. But everything seems to be running perfectly. There aren't any more. But of course, with every update, bugs come out. So make sure that you guys are getting in touch with us through istebrak.com. Scroll down and submit a form submission to let us know if you found anything, or if there's anything you suggest, anything you want to see in PortraitStudio, let us know. We're very active. We're in high communication with you guys as the users, so let us know, even on stream, in an after-hours stream, pop in and let me know what you guys want to see in PortraitStudio, and it's most likely going to be done, and it's very, very likely to be possible. I hope this video has helped you guys see how incredible PortraitStudio is, and if you haven't purchased it, please do. It supports me, it supports everything that I do, and it supports my channel. We've put a lot of effort and resource into it. It's been developing for about 4 years now, hitting this year. So thank you everyone for everything that you've done. You guys are amazing, and I'll see you guys in class when I'm back from my vacation. Thank you guys. Bye.